Oh, great. Another storm. Blizzard. Welcome, everyone. I'm actually filming on my old camera, my old Sony camera, because I still have a ton of footage from New York on my phone. So, as you can see, we did get snow yesterday. I did not film that because I was working through it. But we're getting a big blizzard this time, so I figured I would document a little bit of it, you know? And I'm not really used to using this camera, so it's kind of crazy. But I might go try to check out the tides, because it is going to be a big nor'easter and blizzard. So go check it. And yes, plenty of snow already. I guess I should document the couple inches we got just a day ago. And that tree doesn't look like it can take much more snow being on it. But it does look quite picturesque. In Market Basket, I'm sure it's pretty packed. I'm across the parking lot over here. Looks like it's kind of packed, but I've seen it worse. I'm surprised. But as for myself, I'm going to Tostimos to get some food. And it's a lot better to be safe than sorry, so I figured if I'm stuck in the house for a couple days, might as well get some good roast beef goodness now. And that's what I'm dealing with. Nice Tostimos roast beef. And it is currently just after 11 p.m. It's flurrying a little bit. Nothing major. Every now and then there'll be a big wind gust. It'll blow some of the snow a little faster. Or perhaps it could be just off of the trees. But I'm calling it a night. I will continue this in the AM if there's anything to continue. Maybe I should start using this camera more. Oh, there's a gust. Oh yeah, see, all of that snow is falling off of the tree in the wind gust. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Whoa! Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, just out of nowhere. All right, I'll see you guys in the AM. See how much more snow is accumulated. Looking at you, table. And fast forward to about 5:30 a.m. and it is coming down. Not a lot of accumulation yet. But yeah, I don't think I'm making it to work today. We're supposed to get up to 18 inches, I believe. And it's just getting started, really. Or it would seem. Yeah, I'm not chancing this. I got the light on and everything too, because it's still dark at 5:30 a.m. All right, I will report later. And it is now just about 10 o'clock. And there is some gusts. The snow doesn't seem ridiculously heavy right now, but give the wind a minute and the wind may blow a little bit more snow my way. Table, I mean, I'd say probably about 6 inches, or at least right here. Looks like they plowed the road. Oh, there we go. There's some wind and some snow picking up. But for right now, that's what we're dealing with. But it's still early, and I hear that wind gusting. The top of that tree has seen better days.
It's just a textbook nor'easter and blizzard. This is the snow coming into Massachusetts, and there are different colors here. I'm going to break this down a little bit for you. First, in southeastern Massachusetts, you're getting pounded by snow. You don't need me to tell you. Look out your window. Oh, wait a minute. The window might be all snowed in, as mine was this morning when I woke up at the hotel. But if you can look out the window, you're going to see how hard it's snowing. All these deep blues here, from Boston southward to about Sandwich, over to New Bedford, through Providence, up through Franklin, that area is really getting hit the hardest. Now, on the other side of things,
oh, at least I'm not there.
Slide up here, there's actually a little hole that is formed around Windham, New Hampshire. Doesn't mean it's totally not snowing. You may see some blowing around out there, but when you have lifting air like we do in the South Shore in southeastern Massachusetts, rising air, that air has to sink somewhere else. Think of a wave breaking and crashing, and here it crashes, comes down, and you get drying air, and that causes less snow. So you're kind of in a hole right here. You're getting lesser amounts and less snowfall totals. But look, that wave starts to crest again, and it picks up again back here northwest of Worcester, through Winchendon, for instance, into southwest New Hampshire, back here to western Massachusetts. Then that wave crashes again and starts to crest again. That's the way it looks all across southern New England. You get bands of snow. So if you're in there and you're thinking,
at least I have my piping hot caffeinated beverage. And hopefully, just hopefully, when I'm out of town next week, there'll be no snow where I'm going. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's kind of weird. I can't. There we go. There we go. The snow-filled window behind me is distorting. And it is much better being inside and looking out and being actually outside. The wind just stopped, or it died down a bit. It was going pretty crazy for a minute. Guess that was a little too close of a close-up. This tree is quite covered. Really not looking forward to shoveling. That's much better than this. And now that the shroud of nightfall is upon us, it is still snowing. And the blizzard warning is in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow. Luckily, I do have tomorrow off, because I have not done so much as lifted a shovel today. So, probably gonna end up doing that tomorrow. And it is very brisk out here, I will tell you. Yeah, I might not make any more things tonight. It's almost 7 o'clock p.m. at the moment, and there's no sign of this winter ever ending. But I have packing to do for an upcoming trip, so after tomorrow, I only have a few more days, then I'm getting back on the train. Hopefully, there'll be none of this. There'll be none of all of this accumulation, all of the snow will be left behind. And it's probably gonna be a 3-day vlog. I don't think I took that much footage, so we'll be all right. See you in the AM. Oh, and we got some help.
Where'd he go?
What?
Is he still there?
Yeah,
Oh.
he's a plowing.
Oh yeah, very good.
Yeah, plow that snow. Less for us to clean up tomorrow. And I finally made it to my vehicle. I shoveled off all the stairs, taking a bit of a break. Oh, hello there. Oh, I got snow all in my face. But yeah, I figured I wouldn't put too much shoveling action, especially since I'm using my old camera here. But I made a pathway at least. Now to clean off the rest. And all this snowiness everywhere. So the front of my car, which isn't getting any sun,
I'm getting
isn't
some
melting.
right here with my non-alcoholic Heineken beer,
Yes, Seth is getting some sun in the dry pavement.
and I'm taking a break so I don't die from shoveling.
That's a good plan. Well, I didn't even have you in focus right there.
I'm a disabled person.
But yeah, look at the difference where the dry pavement is to where it didn't get plowed.
And this is thanks to Jason Crawford for helping us in this storm systems.
Indeed. Look at the snowbanks. Oh yeah.
Mr. Plow.
Maybe if I just back up my vehicle to where Seth is, that more of the sun will get it. Now I'll clear off the roof first. All right. All shoveled out. With some help from the sun, that is. Hopefully it takes care of a lot of this remnant.
Huh?
And that is going to do it for this 3-day blizzard footage. I am busy packing right now, so I almost forgot to do an outro. But come check the next several videos, because I will be escaping the winter coldness. Hopefully it's not freezing cold where I'm going. But I won't give any spoilers. But it's a warmer place than here. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Click the bell, get notified when I post. And if you could, give it a big thumbs up. Peace.